Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pizzas. Listen, I'm not talking about some soggy, sad excuses for pizza. We're going for gold here. Get ready to discover the best pizza recipes you need to try. We're talking crispy crust, flavorful sauce, and toppings that would make a donkey jump. So put on your aprons, grab your pizza stones, and let's get this cooking. Right, you donkey. We're starting with the classic margarita. I'm talking about a thin, crispy base. None of that thick, doughy nonsense. Make sure your tomatoes are fresh, basil is fragrant, and use mozzarella that actually melts properly. This isn't rocket science. Drizzle with olive oil, season generously, and bake it in a screaming hot oven. Remember, a margarita is the backbone of good pizza. Don't mess it up. Next up, we're cranking up the heat with a pepperoni pizza. And listen, I don't want to see any of that pathetic paper-thin pepperoni. We're using quality cuts here, with a good amount of spice. Make sure it's spread evenly across the base. No one likes a naked pizza. Get that cheese melted to perfection, with those pepperoni cups curling up beautifully. It's a sight that would make an angel sing. Now, for those of you who like a bit of sweetness, this BBQ chicken pizza is a game changer. We're talking tender, juicy chicken smothered in a smoky BBQ sauce. Get your hands dirty and shred that chicken. Make sure it's coated in that beautiful sauce. Don't be shy with the red onions. They cut through the richness. And for the love of all things holy, don't you dare use store-bought BBQ sauce. Make your own, you lazy sod. Listen up, vegetarians. This veggie delight isn't some sad afterthought. We're packing it with vibrant, fresh vegetables. Think bell peppers, red onions, mushrooms, olives, the works. Roast those vegetables until they're caramelized and bursting with flavor. Remember, a sprinkle of feta cheese adds a wonderful tanginess. This is a vegetarian pizza that even a carnivore like me can get behind. Finally, we're ending this pizza journey with a bang. The 4-cheese pizza is for the true cheese connoisseurs. We're not cutting any corners here. Mozzarella, provolone, parmesan, and a touch of gorgonzola for that sharp bite. Get the balance right, and you'll be in cheese heaven. Bake it until it's golden and bubbly, and for God's sake, let it cool slightly before you dive in. You don't want to burn your tongue now, do you? There you have it, folks. 5 amazing pizza recipes to try at home. You see, pizza night doesn't have to be a greasy, disappointing affair. With a little effort and these foolproof recipes, you can create restaurant-quality pizzas in your own kitchen. Now stop making excuses and get cooking.